Now, on a need to set up some things in the country where the police becomes more independent. You don't like me, but me not care. You shouldn't call me, because me out talk. Police Ninja Man in 2014 E-Class Benz. And when he pull me over, I say, police, what you do? Where? You know, policeman, I have a Benz now, it would look like him rich on me and give me problem. If you not set up something in the country where a policeman does not sign to work for 3 years, the soldier can sign for 3 years. The soldier can sign for 3 years. A police sign for a lifetime. Until he dead in not have work until he resign. So why not set up something where, alright, this is a system. If the policeman want a nice house, go in and get your nice house. If the policeman want a nice car, go in and get a nice car. Whenever time you take, the more you take, the less pay you get. Then, when you set up things like that in the country, and have a system like that going, when a policeman pull Ninja Man 9 Benz or pull Bounty Killer 9 BMW, and when you say, hey, police, boy, where are them from? Make I tell you something, brother. Go look at station. Me have a 300 park, a 200 yard drive. Give me your white papers. But if me not have no Benz, me no live nowhere, and me can't part one man with hype, whatsoever it takes to make the hype go on. Me I go live my life, you know, because I not get up every day with gun for my hip and I run down teeth and not eat nothing. So me I go tell you the truth. First stage of cleaning up crime is to make your police force be independent.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
So when you see Unstoppable TV drop the big premiere the other day, right? Where we are say, what happened? Nobody no remember the Gargan, Ninja Man. And then it take off like a fire rocket. Everybody start to say Ninja Man again. Well, because of that video, right now more people is speaking up in remembrance of Ninja Man. Everybody has say, yo, it's time now for we start to rise up for Ninja Man and make his name be remembered once again. Listen, we see it all over social media now. On Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, everywhere. People are saying Ninja Man again. And Ninja Man name must live on. Yo, so Ragarugi, after him notice say, yo, everybody a rise up and there is a uproar now again for Ninja Man, Ragarugi decide to speak out once again in defense of the Gargan. Take a listen to what the Flitters have said then.
Hallelujah! Yo, the Flitters king this, you know. Yo, I go on a ball, we are ball out against our free Ninja Man. Free Ninja Man. Free Ninja Man again, cause guess so now. Everybody has a free. So why we can't say free? For the greatest artist in the world, Ninja Man than Gargan. Free Ninja Man. Please free him, cause guess so now. Ninja Man is a youth where real. Ninja Man is a youth where natural. Ninja Man is a youth where love Jamaica and love the world. And the man them a go on them one man legacy. Dead out, Ninja Man. So long as we are alive, your legacy can't dead out. Cause we there so to make the people them know say we don't have a great artist. And we there so to make the generation them know say we used to have a great hero, a legend, a pioneer. Ninja Man, and big up all of the vlogger them. We are giving the support and we are putting the work and make the new generation and know say we have one of the greatest artists on the planet. You see what we are say. You see me dancehall IG, big on up on yourself, brother. You see me Big Stone. You see me Video Face. You see what me I say. And me I tell you the truth. I want to big up the Unstoppable TV. You see what me I say. Ras America. Big up on yourself, the whole of man we are running the thing, you know. You see me, all of the vlogger them, you know. Big up on yourself. You see me, all the channel them we are big up and I help and I give Ninja Man a boots in and make the people them know say Linja man we are keep him legacy. Big up on yourself, all of the vlogger them. You see me, mouth and massive, big up yourself. Cause I love where I do and where I strengthen thing. You see what we are saying? I want the people them know so just give a shout out for Linja man. You see me, Linja man, he is a youth. You give people taxi. And then I taxi man them remember you. You give people visa for go to America. The mother and the father and little girl get visa for go to America. So what? Them no remember them great thing that. What you do? Me see you drive your car in a rain, in a storm. Don't give people egg and bread, cornmeal, cane, butter, rice, flour. Nobody don't remember that. Sugar. Nobody don't remember that. Brethren, this is how I go on, brethren. On if big up the real you, them. You see me and Linja man, I tell you straight. I tell you straight, my brother. Know who check for you. Look now and know who is your friend, brother. That's all me I tell you. Cause many of them laugh up. But them not real, brother. You see me, look at people you help. Yeah? And a ruggy from nowhere to me have a little platform. I think this is a big platform. Cause from me say Linja, the whole wild world I say Linja. Someone the man them keep on saying, man. Keep on putting in the work, make the thing look good, man, make the man thing look nice. Just like how we can talk about every other artist. Talk about Linja man, brother. Cause Linja man, we are talk what we see. We see him shine the light. We see him do good. You see me? This man they go sit down in a stadium all night till 6 o'clock in the morning. We see this great artist. So what? Oh, nobody not talk about this man. Brother, not free up on yourself, brother. Free up on yourself, man. Yeah, man. Talk about Linja man, man. Cause whole heap of people Linja man help. You see me? And we don't want to get there cause Ragarug is a freedom fight and Ragarug talk for everybody. You see what I say? So everybody, man, just set something upon the platform, brother. All of the vlogger them just run with that thing, brother. You see me? Cause this is not no hype. Cause you can say the image is here, so the image hype, the image alone sell. So flitters and about hype, we don't do hype. We do love and peace and talk for poor people and black people. And we'll see our brother go down that way, brethren, don't fear. To this man who do so many great things in the world and one just make this man legacy dead out. You see me? So we want the government, please look into this and know this man talk for the police and talk for the soldier. So everybody, I think everybody deserves a chance. And as I say, we never see. So we have nothing to say because we never see. But we see this man legacy when him drive, him storm and give like flitters. And I get to find out when you're kind. I think people don't like when you're kind, man. You see me? But I think the real people love when you give back. So the world, I want to embrace kindness. When somebody brought the bread, embrace that person, big up that person, man. Enough people don't give, man. Say good when somebody brought the bread. So big up all of the artists them when me say I give back. You see me, the Tony Matter on the foot hype. Big up the whole of them. We have brought the bread, brother. Big up the Bounty Killer. Big up the Beanie Man. But we see I brought the bread same way. You see me, but I just want to keep this man legacy in the world. And he deserves a chance to come do back him work. And I want the government look into it. Because you know the government listen to Flitters boss man. So look into this and we could do something, man. Please, man. to get Ninja Man to come do the great work. You see me? And big up everyone. And I want the youth them just all it, man. All the peace. We need it, man. We need the peace. We need the nation to get together as one. Unity, man. You see me? And me do a next video about the little killy. Let me see I go on. Because from what they me stop, burn the fire, me see it I get out of hand. So me need to sit down and talk to the youth them, because the youth them gone, man. Them don't have no guide. Them don't have no one to talk to them. And the youth them we take talk. The youth them we listen and behave themselves, but no one not talk to the youth them. So me need to come back and or come side and come deal with the youth them and make the youth them know, say, yo, there's a better way. Because we need on the brother. Remember, say, we alone, no united. Here, just think about it. Just stop hurt on yourself, brother, man. Everybody want to hurt on the sister, on the brother, on the family, you know. We are one in a brother. Check the complexion, man. We know one unit, man. Just live up, man, and just deal with love and peace, brother, man. Remember, say, I'm not where I come from, you know, brother. Remember, you know, me used to pick up Buckley, you know, and see me, man. Look there. You never know me could have wear them nice foreign clothes, brethren. Remember, me used to burn coal, man. So not found, brother, just to turn policeman or soldier, and me could get back Jamaica. We need to get back Jamaica, and we just cool off for the ignorance, brother. Because that'll mash you up. But also, me I say, I don't want to stray from this thing. So me don't do next vlogging on the crime and get the youth them to know, say, yo, just be up, brother. So, Ninja Man, we're there on your campaign to keep your legacy and keep your name moving. And we want the Prime Minister, the government, the opposition, we'll look back in the case and see what we can do. You see it? Because everyone deserves a fair chance and deserve a chance to, we know. You see, man, we're taking it one step at a time. So just big up the government. You see me, Anjo. Big up Peter. Big up the police. Big up the soldier. You see me, I'm doing a great work, man. And just big up Jamaica. Big up the youth them. Big up the ladies them. And just keep it peace. Big up yourself, Big D. You see what I say? Big up Roddy Irie. Big up the whole team where we deal with that unity here. For the guy in Gargan. And Jamaica, remember, Ninja is a great youth, brother, and one of the baddest artists in the world too. So don't say, yo, we just attack what we see, brother. We are keep him legacy pumping. This is Flitters Boss again, and one more episode next week. So peace and love, my people, my fans, my well-wishers. Big up the whole world, big up England, keep safe, man. Corona soon gone, man. Me kill that lady, man. I forgot to tell you, man. I killed Corona, so by Monday, Tuesday, we are free again, man. We're gonna enjoy life and enjoy happiness, man, and know some peace when Corona bury. Cause we're gonna bury her a couple days from now, man. So we're gonna be happy, man. So stay inside and wash your hand and mask your face and just keep it safe. Corona die, man. I get $3, man. That is a hungry person. The Flitters Boss. Earth Corona. Because she now make no one eat no food and they know Raga Rugi. And they know me do me like a charity already. I soon send out that because they hide it. Because we always about the cookie, you know. People are feed. So peace and love, Flitters. Ninja Man. Free. Freedom. Free. Flitters. I'm out. Peace. Happiness. I'm out. Peace, Jamaica. Peace, England. Peace all over the world. Peace, America. Love everybody. Big up to the vlogger them. Big up to the radio DJ Jackie them. Yeah, man. Big up Sir Ken. So much of them, man. All of the DJ them. Bag of British. You see Mr. Spank, City Lock Radio. You see me, this is the king of stage, the greatest artist, Ice. Big up yourself, man. You keep the biggest show in England, man. You're the biggest promoter, man. Ice, you're the boss. Flitters, adios. I'm out. Peace.
So me gonna say something right now where me personally, I wonder. Look how much lyrical pitney Ninja Man bring in at the business. Me not have to call them name. A whole heap. I wonder where them they know. How much of them actually go link the man where him there in a hell? How much of them actually bring up money and go put on the man books and say, yo, Ninja, hold this enough for the good way you're doing until you touch back road again. Now, don't get me wrong. Me as a youth, me quite sure say, a man when he am Ninja man, I live good way him there still. I mean, I'm just assuming. You see it? But, nothing no better than road. But me just look upon it and I say, yo, with the amount of artists when Ninja man help, the man should not be left alone right now. That's just my personal opinion. I feel like say enough artists they about when Ninja man put a road where the man them should have look back to where them have come from and say, yo, we are got there for your Ninja. See? So what you know now, are we the people them have to go start keep Ninja man name going. And we have to go rise up and keep Ninja man name relevant and make the powers to be, say, yo, the fans out here still going hard for Ninja man, and then something have to go put in place where them probably not even got to have a choice. Them are going to say, wait, them and the people them love Ninja. Watch ya. Talk to me down in the comment section. Make me know what you think about that one here. As a matter of fact, if you're a true Ninja Man fan, drop down below. Free Ninja Man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment. And definitely, if this is your first time to this channel and you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So once I upload a video, you will continue to be alerted. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.